Please like and enjoy this video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're playing Cruise Ship Tycoon. So we are currently making a new boat. I'm going to call this SBSC Deluxe. Incorporate. Okay, let's tour. This is your new ship. It's mostly empty to start out with, but you've got some cash to work with, so let's add some stuff. Oh wait, I have $50,000. Okay, so go into edit. Main source of income will be your passengers. Every passenger will need a stateroom, so build a couple of those. Let's see, what rooms do we got with? Okay, we got this. So, wait, what does this arrow do? Ah, okay. Cool. This one also has an arrow. Oh, okay, this just like, oh, okay. Alright, cool. Oh, this one has a balcony. Whoa! It's like, you can have it real skinny, or you can have it bigger. That's cool. We got a mini suite, and we got a suite. Okay, so, I think we're just gonna try to make this like, mostly balconies. So let's build one of these rooms. Wait, you know what? Let's start out with these little rooms on the bottom floor. Okay, but first I wanna build some these. Okay, we'll make 4 on each side. Alright, I guess we can move like this. Okay. Build. 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 Okay, good. Okay, I think that's good for now. Now let's go up. Okay, build. Okay, which one should we add? Should we add a pizzeria? Which I'll probably go for. Burgers or tacos? I think I'm gonna go for the pizza. Pizza sounds good. Very expensive, but I mean they give us a lot of money to start with, so okay. I'm gonna keep working on the rooms. Okay, right up here. Okay, I guess that's what it be like, right like this. Dang. Okay, so okay, I'll make this a skinny, I guess. Okay, that works. And what about this side? I'll do the same thing. Because I want this place to have a lot of rooms. Because I want it to be very nice and comfy to be in. Alright, so there are those 3 rooms. Okay. Can we add? No, we cannot. Okay. So that's that. What now? Oh, we only have 19,000 left. Uh-oh. Okay, what should we put here? Hey. Wait, I think it wanted me to do something down. Okay. Let's add some tables. Let's add a table here. Okay. Let's add a table here. Let's add a table there. Let's add a table here, here, and there. Perfect. Okay, now it needs me to add something else. What should I add? Ooh, a bowling alley. Ooh. Yes, please. Maybe, Oh, well, The thing is, we need a way out. Okay. Oh, wait, we have nothing down here. Okay, so bowling alley, right? Oh, I can't build it there? Oh, wait, that's right. Okay, I can make it right here, though. Good. I think you provide enough food. Okay, I think we got enough food source. So let's head out here on this deck. What should we build? Oh, a pool. Cool. A pool. Let's add it like this. Oh, we need room. Oh. Right here? Oh, no, not right there. Right there? No. Here. But the thing is, then you can't get to your room. If I make it like this, I mean, yeah, but... Alright, so... I guess we'll remove this room? Okay. Yeah, we'll remove that room. Okay, now... Let's go up. There. Pool. Right there. Perfect. Oh, actually, that's not good. Because it needs to be the other way around. Perfect. That's good. Okay. So now we have that. Let's go to furnishings. Ah, right here. Perfect. Just what I'm looking for. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Nice. Okay, I think that's good for now. Okay, I think that's good for now. Okay, this is what passengers need. Okay. Okay. I guess we'll place a bathroom right here. Now, we really don't have much money for anything else. I mean, we could add one of these, but, I mean, no. Oh, wait, they have all of these. Okay, we don't have enough money yet, though. Okay. I mean, we can get plans. I mean, these look nice. They go with the, theme or whatever. Let's go down. Ooh, we can add some, like, here. No. We can add one. Alright, well, I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice and furnished. I really do like it. Just adds, like, the nice texture. And, it goes with the... So, alright. That's good. I think that's really it. And I think that's it for this video. next time, we're going to set sail. Yes, you heard me. We are setting sail. Oh, wait, let's dock this. Okay, let's go check it out first. The plants. Okay, then you got all of these rooms. Right here. Okay. Oh, there's something out there. That's cool. Alright. I think that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the second part where we set sail on our first adventure. And I don't know, we'll just see if the passengers like it. Oh, someone's here. Yeah. And we'll see if the passengers like it. And hopefully they do. Maybe we can add more to this boat because it's kind of empty right now. But alright, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye. Sadly, this is the end of the video, but I hope that you smash that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell button so you never miss another video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.